Banca Carige is one of the oldest banks in Italy. Established in the year 1850, Carige has gone through numerous transformations. Known for its troubled history, the bank has undergone restructuring and financial support from various sources, including the Italian government. Despite these challenges, it still remains a key player in the Italian banking sector. Let's look at the terms of service in detail. Banca Carige offers a variety of accounts for both personal and business customers, with services ranging from savings accounts to investment solutions. Opening an account with Banca Carige is straightforward, requiring basic personal documentation and a minimum deposit amount of around €500, depending on the type of account. One of the significant advantages of Banca Carige is its widespread presence in Italy. With branches across the country, it can be a convenient choice for people living in urban or rural areas. Additionally, they offer a robust online banking system, allowing customers to access their accounts anytime, anywhere. However, there are some drawbacks. Banca Carige has high account maintenance fees compared to some other Italian banks. For example, monthly fees for certain account types can range from €4 to €10, and if you require physical branch services or make withdrawals from ATMs outside of their network, you may incur additional charges. Also, while the bank offers competitive interest rates for savings accounts, the range of investment products can be limited and may not suit more advanced investors. When it comes to loans and mortgages, Banca Carige offers various options, including personal loans and home financing. The interest rates for loans are competitive, but vary depending on the customer's profile and the financial product. For instance, a personal loan could have an interest rate starting at around 4.7%, but this can change based on your credit score and the type of loan you apply for. The customer service is another area where Banca Carige faces mixed reviews. While the bank offers customer support via phone, email, and their online platform, response times can be slow at times, especially during peak periods. Additionally, the quality of service can vary depending on the branch or location, which can be frustrating for customers who need urgent assistance. In conclusion, Banca Carige offers a range of services suitable for different banking needs, but its high fees and occasional service issues may be a turn-off for some. If you're considering opening an account with them, it's important to weigh these factors and decide if the convenience of their network and online services outweigh the costs and potential drawbacks. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest reviews on other banks.